MIODx, Diagnostics for Medically Improved Outcomes. Introducing ClonoMap Immune Profiler. Bulk TCR Repertoire Profiling from peripheral blood provides a non-invasive readout for the overall health status of an individual. Abnormal clonal amplification indicates disease and/or infection. Treatment with immunomodulatory drugs leads to changes in TCR clonality in the blood. How do we utilize the TCR repertoire data adequately? A static view of the TCR repertoire doesn't present the full picture about the health status. Tracking clones over time can provide insights into health and disease progression or treatment efficacy. To help with this, MIODx developed the ClonoMap Immune Profiler Portal, an interactive solution to view repertoire data graphically and draw key insights. Key features of the portal include analyzing clonality of bulk TCR repertoire profiling data, comparing clonal frequencies and estimate diversity changes across samples, monitoring evolution of T-cell receptor clones over time with an interactive visual interface, clustering repertoires to identify signatures, securely managing, storing, and sharing data on the platform. In the next section of the video, we'll demonstrate how to use the ClonoMap Immune Profiler to run your own TCR repertoire analysis. To use ClonoMap Immune Profiler, visit miodx.com/products to create an account and get started. Visit the MIODx webpage to set up an account. To use ClonoMap, the user needs to follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Once you have an account, log into the project hosted on the DNAnexus cloud. Step 2. Add your data. Step 3. Click Start Analysis to run the ClonoMap workflow on the DNAnexus cloud. Step 4. Once the analysis is finished, you can interact with your data, download it, and store it into your project. The user can further interact with the data by looking at the visual outputs. Here's a demonstration of the visual outputs from the pipeline. A dendrogram of sample clonality relatedness, a k-means clustering TSNE plot, a Circos plot of shared clonotypes, a V-gene usage plot, a diversity estimation plot, and a time course analysis plot for clonal tracking. Here's an example of how a researcher can use the ClonoMap clonal tracking tool to study changes to the TCR repertoire to measure clonal evolution over time and draw insights about the efficacy of a vaccine. In this example, TCR repertoire analysis was performed for several individuals from the blood over a period of time pre- and post-vaccination. The data was processed through ClonoMap Immune Profiler, and the graph shows how the top clonotypes changed over time in these individuals. This analysis can be applied to a large cohort of individuals across multiple studies, allowing multiple iterations to gain additional insights. Data can be added continually to enhance the analysis and interpretation of your results. Compare clonality over time in a cohort of individuals with the same treatment. In summary, with the ClonoMap Immune Profiler, the user can run automated analyses, securely store the data for later access and use, add more data to run additional analyses and draw conclusions about their studies, and share the data with other users in their projects. To request a trial, you can simply email us at contact@miodx.com. You'll need to create an account with DNAnexus using this link. Email your DNAnexus account username to MIODx here. Thank you for watching.